Hello everyone, I am Sumit Patil, an application engineer at PELF INFOTECH. Today is the 6th day of quarantine, and as we know, yesterday our Prime Minister Modi sir has announced a 21 days curfew all over the India. So to fight corona, please be at home and stay healthy. So while being at home, we will be watching some movies or series, but if you want to do any particular productive work, and if you have some pending projects and you work on SOLIDWORks, then we have a great news for you. Keep watching this video to know how you can access SOLIDWORks even being at your home. Welcome to the day 1 of using SOLIDWORks in 21 days lockdown period. We will be sharing the SOLIDWORks information each day to get yourself going while being at home. As we all are locked down in home and our system being at office, we are unable to do some productive work. Considering this uncertain time, SOLIDWORks and PELF INFOTECH are happy to support you to use SOLIDWORks at your home. If you are an active subscription customer, depending upon your license type, you can access SOLIDWORks license at home by following few simple steps. For standalone licenses, if you have access to your system at office, you can simply deactivate the license and reactivate it on your system at home. And if you do not have access to your system, then you have only need to send us a license disable request form so that we can disable your license. Then you can activate it without the need of physically being at office. If you are using a network license, you can borrow license up to 30 days if you have VPN access to work computer. And if you do not have access to work computer, simply mail us to avail COVID-19 support 30 days standalone license file. You can get required COVID-19 special license request form on VRC. This offer is available for active subscription members and approvals required from form. Do mail us on support@pelfinfotech.com to get access to SOLIDWORks COVID-19 support. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, then please mail us on support@pelfinfotech.com. And to get more information, please visit our site www.pelfinfotech.com. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.